Hey guys, it's Jack here again with another video. So many people have been asking me recently, Jack, could you just show me an update of what you're doing with your current flip project that you've got going on? And what I really wanted to do was a before and after, but because so many people keep asking me to show kind of the midway process as well, what we're going to do is we're going to head over there, me and Jess right now.
Hello.
We're going to head on over there now and take you around the property, show you around what's happened, what's been done and what still needs to get done. If you find this kind of video really helpful, or if you just find it fun or interesting, then please make sure that you hit the subscribe button. It'd be great to have you along for the journey. For any astute viewers, you may have noticed we've got a new car so that we can have aircon. It's amazing. Today it's been 30 degrees or something like that, and to have aircon is life-changing. So we'll just see you at the house. Amazing. So this is the lounge. As you can see, we've painted the walls on just all the way around, and we've also painted the ceiling. We've painted it white just to really brighten up the room as well. Currently we haven't done anything with the floors, purely because we've still got quite a bit of things happening and moving around and plastering to be done, so if it ended up getting dirty we want to use the old flooring, so that's why it still looks quite similar in here. I don't know if you can tell by the lighting or through the video on the camera, but we have completely painted the walls throughout the whole property really at the minute. If you just want to come on through, we've also painted the radiator, so that's nice and freshened up. Come on through here. This is our kitchen. As you can see, the kitchen has been completely ripped out. It's been ripped out for a while, but we've been waiting to get our hands on some plaster and then our hands on a plasterer to get everything sorted. As you can maybe see, we've plastered and painted all of the walls, all 4 walls in this kitchen. We haven't yet done the ceiling, as you can probably tell, so we still need to get that plastered, and then we'll be painting that, and then we'll be good to go to start fitting the kitchen in here. So it's very exciting. That should be happening very soon. Also, we have outside. As you can see from the previous video, we actually had a huge overgrowing back garden, which didn't look great. What we've done is we've got a time limit on our skip, so what we've just done is chopped everything down, put it into the skip, and then we'll be tidying it up and making it nice and fresh once we're kind of towards the end of the project. If you come on through here, I'm going to open this just to give it a bit more light. But if you come on through, straight away you can see we did have wallpaper about halfway up the wall, going all the way up the stairs. We tried to paint over it, but it ended up looking a little bit naff, so we just thought it would be better to make it look really nice, really fresh, so that as soon as people walk in through the door, it's a really solid finish. So we've had the whole wall skimmed and plastered, and we've painted it all the way up and around into the landing. So let's go into Ben 10 room. You can see we've still got our Ben 10 chandelier, which is great. The bedrooms have been a really simple and easy job really. So far what we've got done is we have painted the ceiling and the walls, ceiling and the walls and the radiator, just again to freshen it up and make it look really nice and new. As you can see, we haven't done the floors yet, but that is something that we are still going to get done just towards the end of the project. This is the main bedroom. It's probably the biggest room, no, it definitely is the biggest bedroom in the house out of the 3 bedrooms that we've got. Again, it's a very similar case. We've painted the walls and the ceiling white just to make it look a bit bigger, a bit brighter. The windows on this building aren't actually that big, so they don't let in too much light, and so as much light as we can give and provide, then the better really. You can also probably see that we have installed all of the internal doors. We've just gone for some 6-panel doors all the way throughout. Again, white, nice chrome handlebars for a finish, really high quality. It looks really nice, and again, just adds a really nice feel to the house. Now, if you want to come through to the last bedroom, As you can see again, internal doors, painted walls and ceiling, so that's all done and ready to go. We're yet to do the floor as with the rest of the house, but it's looking really nice. It's looking a lot fresher, a lot brighter, and I mean this one, I'm pretty sure this room was the room that had black walls, and oh my word, it was so bad. But you can also tell probably that we've got our electrical fittings. They look a little bit dated, but we know that the wiring in the house is actually up to standards. It's still really good. So what we're going to do is, rather than doing a full rewire or changing any of the electrics, we're just going to get nice new fittings, nice chrome and fresh fittings that look nice and modern and new. Again, just to make the house look nice and modern and fresh for the people who are going to be buying it. Also, actually, if you have a quick look out of here, if this is open, you can have a bit of a better view of the garden. There you go. So as you can see, the garden has been completely cut down. I was actually really surprised. We've just come and seen it for the first time since it's been cut down, and I was actually really surprised at how big it is, which is really nice, a great selling point for families, so that would be really good, really helpful. And then finally, this is the bathroom. As you can see, we've completely ripped out the bath, the toilet, the sink, everything. It's all gone. We've painted the walls, and we're thinking about potentially replacing the tiles. That's still something that we're still considering at the minute. But yeah, we're gonna soon get this all fitted and done, so it's gonna be really nice and like a nice new bathroom suite. So yeah, we've ripped it out and we're gonna fit one soon. Yeah, that's the bathroom. So that's it, that's a bit of an update on the house, on how things are going with this flip refurb project. So many people have been asking about it and wanted to see an update. I really wanted to do it before and after, but so many people are asking for just an update on how it's going, so I thought I'd just film it halfway through. We're nearly there. We just need to do the fitting the kitchen, the bathroom, bit of plastering, bit of painting, the floors, and then we're done. So it shouldn't be too much longer. It should be quite a quick job, another couple of weeks maybe, maybe a little bit longer. Who knows, depending on how we can get whether we can get materials or whether we can get the right tradesmen in. But hopefully it'll be another couple of weeks. But that's it for this week's video, guys. I hope you found it really helpful and I don't know, maybe just a nice bit of insight into my life, my flip project that's going on at the minute. If you enjoyed it, please make sure that you hit the subscribe button. Make sure that you like the video, comment. It would be amazing to just have you a part of the journey and just interacting with me. I'd love to chat with people in the comments. If you've got any questions, drop them below. But please do make sure that you subscribe so that you don't miss an upload. Click the notification bell. That would be amazing. Right, thanks guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.